Guys, hello and welcome back to another video. Right, I look a mess, I have just woken up, so let's sort this mess out and I'll see you once it's done. Or maybe I should start it here while I'm cooking breakfast. Nah, let's sort this out first. So, my electric shaver decided it wanted to completely cut out on me. Not happy in the slightest, so my beard, oh god, looks like this. It is half done, well actually 3/4 done. Anyway, let's fix it. Right, so the beard situation has not really been fixed. My shaver will not charge up, so I am having to leave the house with like half a beard. So, oh well, we're just gonna have to see what happens. We're just gonna have to deal with it. That's the thing we have to do. Right, so this morning I've had breakfast. I had my usual omelette, which is 2 full eggs, 6 egg whites. I had 2 slices of this new bread today. It's like this oats barley bread thing. I just thought it looked really nice. That was gorgeous. I have had 1 Rice Krispie square, and what was the other thing I had? Oh, before I had that, I had one of those Fiber One bars, which are super nice. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my supplementation ready for the gym. And also, I have a little bit of a confession to make to you. This is probably actually episode 4 in the cut and strength series, but it's actually going to be episode 2. The reason is, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, I completely and utterly messed up for the past few weeks. I've just had a few binge nights during the night. I've been eating. I've just been an absolute pig. But this week I have been on it like Sonic. My weight will be up here. So my weight has gone down. I think it was 2 weeks ago when I first started this, after my first week of dieting, I was 16 stone 2 something, and now I am below that 16 stone mark, which I am super happy about. But anyway, we're gonna get ready for the gym. Today's gym session is gonna be the big 3. So we're gonna do deadlifts, squats, and bench. I did deadlifts yesterday, but I thought, you know what? Let's get another deadlift session in, because I felt strong yesterday, but I didn't hit that 280, 300 mark that I've been wanting to hit. So we're gonna get there today and we're gonna test my big 3. Let's take this messed up beard to the gym. I'll see you guys there. Bye bye, Mr. Flex. That didn't go completely to plan. It was meant to be deadlifts, bench and squats. But squats didn't happen. Now, don't call me a wuss or a P word, but my knees started flaring up during the deadlifts, and I did deadlifts yesterday, and my bicep tendons started flaring up during the chest press, and they were both affecting me during squats, so I might just do squats tomorrow and see what I can get to. But to be honest, overall I was pretty damn happy with how things went. We hit 2 good numbers on bench and deadlifts. We're not at where I was maybe 4 weeks ago due to all these niggly injuries that I've been having, but anyway, it's now time for the special part of the video. So guys, here it is. This is the challenge. I have never seen this in my entire life before on any YouTube channel going. To be honest, I haven't searched it, so it could be on there. But today guys, I am going to be taking on 120 10-calorie jellies. Actually, I'm lying. There is one here somewhere, this one. This one has gone mouldy, and I'm not eating it. So that one's going there. But, so I'm eating 119 10-calorie jellies. Oh, guys. I have no idea how this is going to go. I have no idea how I'm going to feel. I just thought it'd be a really fun challenge to try, and I thought it'd be really fun for you guys to watch. So, do you know what? I have a Hero Academia to watch on my laptop. So I'm going to watch that, and while I'm doing it, I'm going to try and eat 119 jellies. Let's get this challenge started. I don't even know how to really start off eating them. I usually just neck it. It's got mango and passion fruit, strawberry, apple and watermelon, orange, black currant. Oh god, we've got loads. So we're going to start with orange. It opens up. Spoon technique. Oh, this tastes good. I don't think I'll be saying that later on though. There's one. That one's not the best tasting one in the world. Originally, this challenge was meant to be 1,000 calories, but I ended up buying a bit too many, so it turned into 1,190. Oh, there's 3. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm kind of feeling it a little bit already. I'm getting the sweats. Get some windows open. And the majority of them are that flavour. Oh god. There's 4. I don't even know where do I even start? I've not even made a dent. Oh my goodness. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put Hero Academia on while I'm doing this because it will help me get through it. I'm not gonna lie, these orange ones are a lot easier to make. Oh god, I make a mess everywhere. I'm starting to think this was not a very good idea. I seriously feel full already. And I've had 5. It means there's 114 to go. Getting serious, bicep veins coming out. Okay, spoon it is. These orange ones are not nice, I will be honest. I wonder if anyone can actually do this or not. Like, have I just decided to do a completely impossible challenge? Like, maybe I was getting a little bit ahead of myself. My grandma used to always tell me my eyes were bigger than my stomach. Maybe she was right. Whew, right then, anyway. Take your time, TJ, take your time. That took a while. Right. I fancy a change in flavour. Oh, this was a silly idea. This was a very... Right, the time is 5:05. I could see this being a long one. I'm not even like, seriously, I feel full already, like really full. I know I've had 7. This is a really stupid idea. Literally, I feel ridiculously full already. What is going on? I've had 8. I could be able to eat more jelly than that. No jelly challenges. I've actually just searched jelly challenges, and the only ones I can find is people getting in baths or having a bath in jelly. Oh my god, what the stupid idea, TJ. This is a joke. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I've had 9. I've had 9 friggin' jellies. This is a really stupid idea.
You've got this! You've got this!
Cheers, dude! Well, he believes in me. I don't believe myself.
You've got this, Daddy!
Thanks, mate. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! And I feel like crap already. That's not even like a box. That is minging. Right. I am not even going to lie. This is impossible. I feel like the complete and utter biggest wuss in the entire world. I've eaten 9. Actually, I'm lying. 9 and a tiny bit. This is a stupid idea. This is a really stupid idea. I really do not know why this challenge is so hard. Now I've got to figure out what to do with 110 jellies. Or actually, that one's done, so 109 jellies. I honestly, I do not understand how this many jellies can fill you up so much. Like, you guys know I can eat a lot. You've seen my 10,000 calories, you've seen my 20,000 calorie challenge. I do not understand how these can make you feel so full. My belly right now, it's ridiculous. I really don't even know how I'm going to post this. Like, it's not even an eating challenge. I ate 9 and a bit. It's like an embarrassment to post. I thought this was going to be a really, really good challenge to watch, and it turned out to be an absolute bag of dog turd. I'm embarrassed. I'm going to be embarrassed editing this. I'm going to be embarrassed uploading this, and I'm definitely going to be embarrassed posting this. But you know what? I did this to myself. I messed this up. I'm going to post this just so I look back at it and never make this stupid mistake again. So I'm going to get, it's like I'm going to tattoo a knobhead on your head. It's going to be a complete reminder to me that I am a tool. I'm a complete and utter tool, and I should have maybe at least tried it before I said I was going to do it. But anyway, at least you guys got to see me be a complete and utter moron. Try a challenge which I clearly couldn't do. I look like the biggest wuss in the entire world. So anyway, guys, that has been the embarrassment of my life. Thank you very much. I don't know. You probably all turned off, to be honest. So thank you. If it has made it to this point, I really appreciate you watching this terrible video. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you watching this video. It has been terrible. You're probably now thinking to yourself, why have I wasted 10 minutes of my life watching this complete arse waste my time? And I apologise for that. I really do apologise for that. But I will make it up with another video, I promise. So I'll see you in the next, maybe embarrassing, maybe not embarrassing, TJ's TV episode.